amigos, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a wonderful meal called Camarones which are deviled shrimp, super hot and delicious. Step by step, I'll take you how I make these. So I want to go over the ingredients. I'm going to be using some chile guajillo, some chile ancho, which gives a great smoky flavor, some chile de árbol. I'm going to be using some garlic, some plump black pepper, some tomatoes, onion, and this will make the sauce that we'll use for our shrimp. Let's get started. So I'm going to start by heating some oil up here. I have some olive oil. I'm going to bring it over my tomatoes, and then I'm going to begin with tomatoes, the garlic, and the onion, and put it all in here and just wilt this down just a little bit to get started. And then I will introduce my chilies as soon as this is wilted just a little bit. And this is the first step. Okay, after the onion has started to wilt a little bit, I'm ready to introduce my peppers. So my chile. I'm gonna put in my chile ancho. I've deveined them and cleaned them out. I'm gonna bring in my guajillo, and I'm gonna bring in my chile de árbol and my plump chili peppers, black pepper, and then just bring this and allow this to brown just a little bit. The chile de árbol will brown very quickly, so you've got to keep an eye on this. As soon as this has begun to brown a little bit, I'm then going to introduce my water into this and cover it up. Now that my chiles have browned just a little bit and they've just gotten a little soft, I'm going now to introduce my water into it, and I'm just going to cover it and making sure that everything is completely submerged into this water. And then I'm going to allow it to cook completely until my chiles have wilted completely. And I'm going to do that for about 5 minutes or until it's wilted. Then I'm ready to take it over to my blender. So all of our chiles are ready. We're going to go ahead and bring them over to our blender with our onion, our garlic, and everything that we have. And we're going to bring all the juices in here, and we're going to blend this together. And then we're going to take it back over to the stove. We're going to sift it and make our salsa. And I've already made the shrimp, the camarones, and they're ready to go. So we're ready to introduce them afterwards when we have the chile ready. So I have all my chiles and the liquid that was there with the tomatoes, and then I went ahead and got one orange, and I'm going to put a bit of orange juice inside there, and I'm going to blend this together and make my salsa before I take it over to the stove and fry it completely. Unfortunately, my mic went off, but there's 3 more steps. The first one here is to go ahead and sift your chile in a little bit of oil, and you're going to cook this and reduce this down. Now it's time to add your salt and pepper to taste. You can adjust the amount of heat by adding or taking away your chile de árbol. It's up to you how hot you want this. It's meant to be hot, but again, you can adjust this yourself. Now it's time to add in the king, the shrimp. I've washed and deveined my own shrimp here, and so it won't take long. I'm just going to put these in, cover them up for about 4 to 5 minutes until they get the flavor, and now you're ready to serve. And now it's time to enjoy these great CamaronesALaDiabla. I served these on a bed of white rice. They were so delicious. You've got to make these. Delicious, hot and spicy CamaronesALaDiabla. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you on our next video. Provecho.